what is sustainability as we talk about it, other than this cool word that makes us all feel good? So according to the United States EPA, sustainability is based on a very simple principle. Everything that we need for our survival and well-being depends either directly or indirectly on our natural environment. For us to pursue sustainability is to create and maintain the conditions under which humans and nature can exist in productive harmony to support present and future generations. A pretty long definition, but what that's saying, what the US EPA is saying about sustainability is humans coinciding with nature without affecting nature.